Hi guys, so somebody was complaining I did this test in foggy situation. There's no, there's no really fog at that house that I tested earlier. So this is the regular mode. Be wide angle, very good stabilization as you can see. Regular, also very good stabilization. Now let's go ahead and do 5x zoom. Focusing looking good. And let me go and move it around a little bit. Seems like the focus is a little hunty. You guys think so? Let's go to 10x. So that's still optical zoom. Do let me know what you think of 10x optical zoom. I still think the quality is just not there. Let's do 20x. This is the maximum at 4K. Alright, let me know what you think. I would just stick with maybe 5x at most. 10x looks kind of awful. 1x. And I did this test with Galaxy Note 10 Plus from the same location. The 2x looks way better than the 2x you get here. This is 2x. You see a lot of artifacts. It's just not sharp. So here's the point. Let's say you're focusing on something close up. Now, with the older Galaxy, you could focus real good. With 5x, you can't even focus unless you're like, let's see, I'm about 3 feet. With the 2x zoom on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the good thing was that you could zoom in even closer on close objects. I think focusing distance was less than a feet. But with the 5x, it's sort of not as useful for close-ups. I guess it's really for using it, focusing on things that are far away. 5x works pretty good. It's pretty good, but it's not. I don't know the optical quality. I don't know. I think I just paid way too much for this, but it's not bad. I mean, it's obviously better than not having it. I'm sure it's gonna be very useful, but you know, in any kind of low light situations, the image just gets very degraded. Because obviously the larger the lens setup, it's just not there yet. Like I said, I would just wait until the next version. This is first iteration, first edition. You're always gonna get something that's not as good. But let's go ahead and actually zoom in on some of these aloe plants. Let me see if I can find a fresh one here. So focus. Having a hard time focus here. I have to manually focus there. That doesn't look too bad. So I guess it can be useful. Just optical quality is just not there the way I would expect it to be. That looks actually pretty good. Nice bokeh. Let me see if I can get it like this so you can get the wow, that looks actually pretty good. Yeah, you can get some really cool shots back here, and boom. Anyway, I just want to do another quick test. This is pretty much bright light, almost full sun. Just the cloud is just covering up a little bit. Let's do a 20x zoom on the sun here. All right, back to 1x, and yeah, let me see if I can find something that's interesting. Oh, let's go over there by my neighbors. So yeah, in bright lights, it can be very useful. Anything less than bright light, indoor setting, I mean, you have to have a lot of light to really make use of this to get that quality. But yeah, I just want to share this with you guys. Let me know what you think. I have unboxing coming up soon, right now.